What's up, guys? I hope you are doing really good during this quarantine time and you are keeping yourself safe during this pandemic time. So today we are going to discuss about how you guys can download Instagram videos from any profile who went live before 24 hours ago. So let's do it, how we can do it. Right, so to do that, you need a few kind of a Chrome extension. If you wanted to download the Instagram live of some profile, for example, now I'm following this person, Rishi Ravi Shankar, who always going live during this pandemic time to spread the positivity across the world. So it's not possible for you right now to see his live on Instagram web, but you can download it using some Chrome extension. So let me tell you, like you have to go and download the Chrome extension called IG Stories for Instagram. So once you downloaded it, like you have to just enable this extension. After enabling this extension, you simply have to go to your Instagram web account and the profile from which you actually wanted to download the Instagram live. So here it is. I enable this extension. Now I'm just going to refresh my page. Now you can see there is an icon, the TV icon is coming up over here. It means that this person already went live 24 hours ago and his Instagram live is available for the download. So you just have to do it, like you have to click over here. Now you can see because of this extension that we install, it is going to showcase you these two kind of options. You can either view their stories also, or you can watch the live also. So up to you, like what you wanted to do. Even you can download the stories. So we are discussing about Instagram live. So let's go and explore. So I'm going to click on the watch live video. Yes, absolutely. So you can see like
And focus.
he's having two videos. The Instagram live, he went live two times within the 24-hour span. So here it is another one.
I really want to thank you also because I did the
So
art
this
of
video is
living
playing. Either you can watch
workshop
it here,
many years
but make sure like
ago.
that these
And when
stories
my
from the
first
Instagram
daughter,
get
I wanted
vanished
to
and
thank you
deleted after
personally.
24
So
hours.
thank you
So
so
it's
much.
better to download. So to download
Lovely.
that,
Well,
I just have to
welcome.
go and just look for the download
And
button.
I
Right, so I'm just going in over here, download. Now here is the trick. Whenever you are going to download, Instagram is going to give you two separate files, that is a video track and the audio track as a separate one. Right, it's a bit tricky, guys, like because they have some technology which is actually segregating this kind of a things, video and audio track to maintain the synchronization between the audio video connection during the slow speed internet. So they are doing it because of that reason. They're splitting these files. So what you have to do, you have to download those files. First, I'm going to download this one, the video track, right? It's downloaded and simultaneously I'm going to download the audio track. All right, it's done. So now here is a trick. Now I'm going to open these two files, right? This is a audio file and this is a video file. So we have to merge those files right now. So it's really important. So I'm opening in the VLC. Now you see there is no audio. So it's a separate file. So it's no use actually. So what you have to do, using the VLC, we can merge these two files in a single file. Okay, so let's do it, guys. It's a really simple technique. So you don't need to have any kind of a converter or something like that. We can do it easily using the VLC. If you are having a VLC player, we can do it. Like, let's say VLC, open your VLC player, go to your file section. In the file, you can find open network. I'm using the Mac, so you have to check the settings for the Windows. I'm going to put it in the description of this video. What are the settings for the Windows machine VLC player to convert it into the single file? So we need to merge this file. So you have to go to the File tab. Then here you have to put the audio file first. Then here we have to put a here we have to put a audio file, and here we have to put a video file first. Okay, so after that you have to go and check on the stream output. Go to the setting and check on the this radio button file and browse it where you are going to save it, right? So I'm going to save it here as a VLC output 3 profile live. Okay, let me check what's happening. Let me check. Here we have to check about which format we have to save. So before this one I was actually selecting the ts.ts, that way it was showing me the ts extension. So I'm going to save it in the mpeg4 mp4 format. So here it is. Yeah, it's come up. 3 live. Okay, so I'm going to save it in my download section. All right, so it's done. So just you have to, once you complete it, let me tell you again, you have to put in the first tab a video file. Here you have to put an audio file. In the stream output you have to check it and go to the file and select the proper encoding method, like in which format you wanted to save that video, and you can do it. And there are multiple settings here, you can do it accordingly. If you are very familiar with that, then click on the open itself. Now it's getting converted. You see this progress bar. It's done. So now what I am going to do, I'm just going to, oh, sorry, I'm just doing it like keep existing file. It's already done. So I'm going to open my download section. Yes, see this one, this file. Now I'm going to open it in any player.
Amazing. And I really want to thank you also because I
That's
did the
really good
Art of
one.
Living
It's done.
workshop.
Kurkumin.
You have a video with the audio
Again,
integrated
which
in
can
that.
or if we think about bad things, we set our
This is how you guys can download all kind of Instagram live videos from any profile, and you can merge it easily using VLC for free of cost. You don't require any kind of a converter. It's really easy way, guys. If you have any queries and questions, you can go and check this site. I already posted in my personal blog. You can just check it out, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, guys, have a great day and stay safe.